I'm Chavi Sompura and you are watching It's Tomorrow News. Met Office gives first verdict on winter weather outlook. The Met Office has revealed what kind of weather Britons could expect this winter as it gives its first outlook on the next 3 months. The forecasters have said this winter is most likely to bring average or milder conditions in its 3-month outlook for October to December. There will be a 55% chance that the season will be considered near average, which is 0.9 times the normal chance. There will be 30% chance that the season will be mild, which is 1.5 times the normal chance. Meanwhile, there is only a 15% chance the season will be considered cold, 0.8 times the normal chance. Consistent with our warming climate, there is an increase in the likelihood of mild conditions through the 3-month period overall, the outlook states. However, with an increased chance of northwesterly or northerly outbreaks, there is a greater chance of spells of colder weather, with winter hazards more likely than usual later in the period. In terms of precipitation, there was a 70% chance the UK could see near average amounts. There is a 20% chance the season will be dry and 10% chance it will be wet. The chances of a wet 3-month period are less than normal, the outlook states. However, the chance of a dry 3-month period is around normal due to an increased likelihood of high pressure patterns influencing the south of the UK. Nevertheless, region variations in rainfall are to be expected. That's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.